Good morning students. In this video lecture we would solve these numerical problems. The problem number first is the length of a cylinder is measured with a meter rod having least count 0.1 centimeter. Its diameter is measured with vernier calipers having least count 0.01 centimeter. Given that length is 5 centimeter and radius is 2 centimeter. The percentage error in volume. We have to find the percentage error in volume. So let's solve this particular numerical problem. Answer number first. We have known that the formula for volume of the cylinder V equal to pi r square h. You can say h is height, you can say it is length of the cylinder. So the percentage error in volume is delta V upon V into 100 is equal to, this is errorless, this is a constant value, so error would be in R and L because these are the measured value measured by vernier calipers and meter scale. So this is exponent term, so it would be in multiplication to delta R upon R into 100 plus, this is multiplication, so it would be converted in plus. So this is delta H upon H into 100. So this equation which we have right here, this is by the concept of combinations of error. So just put the value here to delta R. You have given delta R. Delta R mean absolute error. So the radius is measured by, diameter is measured by vernier calipers. You are seeing here diameter is measured with vernier calipers having least count. So it is the minimum value up to which vernier caliper is able to take the reading. So 0.01 centimeter, and this is the maximum error, maximum absolute error for the vernier caliper. So this is the 0.01. This reading, this value, which is the minimum value, measured by this instrument, which is vernier calipers, and also you can see that vernier calipers is able to take reading up to 2 decimal point, and the maximum, you can say, error is 0.01 centimeter. So this is 0.01 centimeter error in the reading taken by the vernier caliper. And what about R? R is given, what is R? Radius is given 2 centimeter, so this is radius R, and this would be delta R. And length, this is, you can say, I have denoted this by H, so this is H. And what is delta H? This one is delta H. So just put all these values here. R is 2 into 100, cancel 2 and 2, plus delta H 0.1 upon H is 5 into 100. So it would be 100 and this 1% plus this value 2% plus 2%. So the final answer would be 3%. Hence the error in volume would be 3%. So I think you have cleared this particular numerical problem. What we have done, we have given the least count of the meter scale 0.1 centimeter because it is the minimum value which can read by the meter scale, as we know that 0.1 centimeter up to 1 decimal point, and this would be delta L. Maximum, you can say, this is the error. Now this is the delta R, this is the radius, and this is the, you can say, H. So we have just put this value in this particular, this is the formula, and this is from combinations of error. Pi, errorless quantity, there is a multiplication, addition, and the error would be in terms of relative error or percentage error because this is the multiplication case and exponent case, and we have seen in the combinations of error that there is a relation between relative errors or percentage error. Okay, so we have write this equation, we have put these values and solve this. The answer is 3%. Now the second problem we have seen in the blackboard. We are seeing in the blackboard. Let's start to solve this particular problem. Answer number 2. In this numerical, we have given s is equal to a square b cube upon c under root of d. This is the formula given in this particular numerical problem, and we have also given the percentage error in a, b, c and d. You are seeing here a, b, c and d. These are the percentage error respectively. Find the percentage error in s. So first write formula s equal to a square b cube upon c under root of d. We know that the under root, square root you are seeing here, in terms of power it can be written as a square b cube upon c d to the power 1 by 2. d to the power 1 by 2. Now the error in s, delta s upon s into 100% error, because it is the case of division and multiplication. So error would be in terms of percentage error or relative error. A 2 delta a by a into 100 plus 3 delta b by b into 100 plus delta c by c into 100 plus d की पावर क्या है आपको देख रहे 1 by 2. So it would be 1 by 2 delta d by d into 100. So this expression again from the combinations of error, and the values you are seeing delta a upon a into 100. This is the percentage error in a, percentage error in b, percentage error in c and percentage error in d. Just put all these values in this equation and solve this. We can find the error in percentage error in s. So we are just putting all the values. Just start to put 2, and this is the percentage error. So 2 into percentage error in a is 4%, so it would be 4% plus 3 into percentage error in b, which is 2%, so it is 2% plus percentage error in c, it is 3%, it would be 3% plus percentage error in d is 1%, so 1 by 2 into 1%. On solving this, 4 2s are 8 plus 3 2s are 6 plus 3 plus 0.5%. 8 plus 6 14, 14 plus 3 17, 17 plus 0.5 it would be 17.5%. So you have seen this particular numerical problem also related to the concept combinations of error. So you are seeing here the expression given in this particular numerical problem was s equal to a square b cube upon c under root d. So this relation you are seeing in this expression, multiplication, division and exponent, and all these relations, the error related to multiplication and division is in terms of relative error either or in terms of percentage error. So we can write this particular expression relation by the concept of combinations of error. So the error percentage error in this is equal to 2 into percentage error in this plus 3 into this exponent terms comes into multiplication. That's why they are here. So in c and the power d is 1 by 2 root. So this one is, and we have put in all the values of percentage error in a, b and c and d respectively. So we have find the answer 17.5%. So that's all about this video lecture. Thank you students. Solve the problems. If you are facing any problem, WhatsApp me on my number, which is 9807 402 700. 9807 402 700. Just WhatsApp me your problems if you are not able to do that. Thank you students.